G'day everybody, welcome back.
Tim, what is this? Tim, what is this? You don't upload a video for like 3 weeks and then you upload this one that's like only 4 to 6 minutes long. What are you doing? What are you doing, Tim? What are you doing?
Okay, chill, alright? Just for a second. Let me explain. Okay, so I did have a video that I was hoping to really get out this week. Unfortunately, I did it bad, and I ended up losing about a day's worth of footage because I'm dumb and I didn't check to make sure that things were actually downloaded off the camera before deleting them off the camera. Anyway, so yes, I did it bad, and I'm working to fix that. Hopefully I can recover the footage if I can. Awesome, and I'll upload the video as soon as possible. If not, you'll be getting that video probably next week. But there's a little something happening today. I know I look incredibly tired. That's because I am. I only thought about this last night whilst I was at work, and I should have probably thought about this earlier, but I only thought of it last night whilst I was at work. I'm going to the Perth woodworking show. There'll be links and stuff in the description to help you figure out whether or not you want to go. But it's running for today and tomorrow. I'm going to be there today after about 12:30. Yeah, if you want to meet up, I'll be there. And I will probably still look like hell. I don't have a stall or anything like that, but I am just going to be wandering around. So if you want to say g'day and you're in Perth, come on by and say g'day. Yeah, I'm really bad at these videos. I'm just really bad at making videos. That's the truth of it. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll catch you today if I see you there. If not, then I'll catch you next week. Remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.